in here you can see it's our channel Freelancing School BD. But in this Gmail, I'm not this
Yeah.
channel owner. And in here, I think you can see you are a manager. Can you see this?
Oh, yeah, yeah,
Yes, that means Google said me I am this channel manager, not owner. Okay. Then
okay,
if I click on my channel logo section,
yeah.
then YouTube Studio section, then if I just click settings and then permission, then in here you can see permission for Freelancing School BD, name and rule. This email SS Suraya, this email
Mhm.
is this channel owner, and this email manager, and my this email is also manager. And if you
Okay.
give us access, then you can just invite, and in here you can paste our Gmail. Then
Oh,
you have
right,
to
okay.
select one access. Then you can see first one is manager, and which thing can do manager, you can see in here. In here
Right.
manager can view anything, manage your permission, go live and create and edit and delete your content. And if you want to give us editor access to us, then you can see editor can view anything, go live and create and edit content, can't manage permission and delete content. And you
Oh,
can also give us editor limiter access, some
okay.
permission as editor but can't remove revenue data. I mean
Okay.
these things. So
Yeah, that
I
makes sense.
think you can understand.
Fine. That's like the main thing. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.